Alright, Moonscouts. So our next find in the mines is called Latch. Okay, that just jumped right into things. Whoa.
Hold up the match and say, "Show me the light or leave me in the
What
darkness."
the heck was that all about?
Show me the light or leave me in the darkness.
If you hear something, turn away, light the match,
Oh no.
and wait. Do not look back.
Oh my gosh, that was...
But if you look,
that was so
you might see
sudden.
something looking back at you.
Ugh. I don't want to play that game.
Or I can...
Oh, this is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good.
Or leave me in the darkness.
Ooh. Okay, showing what that...
Or leave me in the darkness.
Oh gosh. That's really interesting how they keep panning the camera over like that. Oh my gosh.
Daniel, come on, open the door.
Stop holding the door handle.
I'm not holding the...
Oh my goodness. Oh no, 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 no. That's why they kept panning the camera over there. I see, I see, I see. That's cool how that little bit of glow is like coming up under the door. Oh my gosh. Why would you do that? Is this sort of like a Bloody Mary kind of thing? Show me the light or leave me in the darkness. Show me the light or leave me in the darkness. Oh boy, she is fumbling like crazy. Oh my gosh, that was so loud, that was so loud. Oh god, no, 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 no. Okay, what the heck is that all about? Stop it, don't do that. Oh god, I'm so scared right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no. No, no, no. Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. Do not even turn your head right now. Oh no. Ugh. There you are. Oh my gosh. Nope. Nope. That's a whole lot of nope right there. Oh, there it is. There it is.
I wasn't holding the door, I promise.
Mom, there's something in the closet.
God, is the mom gonna go in there? Okay, that was really, really creepy though. Like how they had her face, the monster lady's face. Ugh.
She said...
There's nothing in the closet.
Like, just...
Keep it shut.
It's so creepy. I don't know why, but like things like that are more creepy than, I don't know. It's just how she like had her face like, or her like mouth open just right here, like she's like slowly turning it and you slowly start seeing it come into the camera. Like that's really freaky to me. Ooh, that woke me up. Ooh.